how to hide contacts without phone numbers. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to find and manage these contacts. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Look through your contacts and find the contact that doesn't have a phone number. If you want to remove the contact, tap on the contact's name. Then tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Delete Contact. Tap Delete Contact again to confirm. If you have many contacts without phone numbers, you can also check which account they're coming from. Open Settings on your iPhone. Then select Contacts. Tap on Accounts. Here, you'll see accounts such as iCloud, Google, Outlook, or Yahoo. Tap an account and turn off contacts if you don't want contacts from that account to appear on your iPhone. If you want to keep the contacts in the account but simply don't want to see them on your iPhone, choose the appropriate option when prompted instead of permanently deleting them. And that's it. You've successfully managed contacts without phone numbers on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.